Wasn't... There you go. Good girl. Hi, Bonnie. Yeah, look at all the girls. Come on. Morning, Toasty. Pansy, I think she has to go potty. Pansy. Good girl. Okay, we'll not focus on that. Good morning, Pink. Good morning, Pink. Oh, such a good girl you are. Yes, you are. Good girl. Ooh, that was nasty. Get back. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. You a happy girl? Hi, Pansy. Morning, Pansy. Okay. Tulsi, are you awake yet? Not really.